Alright guys, welcome back. We're going to be solving another question from second chapter of Meriam textbook, question 59. And in this one we have the caster unit that is subjected to the pair of 400 Newton forces as shown. We need to determine the moment associated with these forces. So the big message in this question is that we have two forces in here that have the same magnitude. They are both 400 Newton. They are in the opposite direction. One of them is downward and the other one is upward, and they are non-collinear. So they're basically, they are not like this. They are in different lines. One of them is higher than the other one, and that's the definition of non-being collinear. And when we have these three features for two forces, we have a concept that is called couple. So again, for the couple, we know the moment that is produced by two different forces that are equal, they are in opposite direction, and they are non-collinear. We're going to make a couple. So when we have a couple, regardless of the point that we are trying to find the moment about, we will get the same moment. So this question is asking for finding the moment associated with these two forces. We already know that these two forces have the three characteristics that we have for a couple. So the rest of this is pretty easy. We can pick basically any moment between these two. Probably going with the center of this caster would be the easiest way. We can call it O, and if we want to find the moment O counterclockwise positive, we basically, so this one will be cancelled out since it passes through the point O, and we only have the moment of 400 Newton force, and as we can see it's clockwise, so negative 400 times the distance. So basically this distance here, which is 35 millimeter, and if we want to get it in meter, we have to divide it by 1000. 35 divided by 1000, and our moment will be 14 Newton meter. And we have a negative sign in here which shows the moment is clockwise. So yeah, basically we have a couple in this question that makes a moment of 14 Newton meter clockwise, which would be associated with these two forces. So again, the big message of this question is the definition of the couple, and what we care in the couple is the distance or the multiplication of f and d, as long as f and d are perpendicular to each other. So fd will be a constant value. And yeah, that's pretty much for this one. Hope you guys find it helpful. Again, the moment that is produced by two forces that are equal, opposite, and non-collinear, it's called couple. That's it for this one. You guys take care. I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one.